17, I read a quote that went something like, "If you live each day as if it was your last, someday you'll most certainly be right." It made an impression on me, and since then, for the past 33 years, I've looked in the mirror every morning and asked myself, if today were the last day of my life,
you let me preach up on this shit and see how far this thing just really might go. People always asking me questions, well shit I might blow. Bitches fucking crazy about me, well shit I'm psycho. Versus staying fat is a patient, but shit I like both. Stress is over, music is making me suicidal. You never looking at weddings unless you fucking the bridal. Enough of all the preachers and mistletoes and recitals. I ain't never buying substance unless I'm part of the title. I work too fucking hard to not be living the greatest. I'm the kid your boys be talking about, saying they knew we made it. I could still go drop some bars and definitely be the hated. MDR be like a tweet, but I still be one of the favorites. I making all this music, this shit is really a hobby. I ain't lying about my room shit, I'll probably sleep in the lobby. I ain't talking about the threes or the people driving Bugattis. Ain't nobody fucking with me unless they're standing beside me. Hold up. Most of the shit I'm making here for right now, swimming in the stress of the world, well shit I might drown. Sleeping in the studio, only time I lay the mic down. Need to scrub the floor, see I already laid a bike down. Shit, it's time for me to crack down. Sounding like a Mac, well go ahead, lay the Mac down. Know your boy is raw, except I'm laying a smack down. Stay up watching movies with the kid, I never back down. Greedy motherfucker, she claiming that she had dated. I probably ain't fucking with you unless you're one of the greatest. Surround myself with the people I know are destined to make it. So fuck all your fake assumptions and people claiming I'm hated shit. Damn, I guess it's time for me to pop off. Nobody gonna block, man, nobody gonna block off. I know they need a job done, you know I get the top off. And that's me, cause all I am is me. There ain't nothing to jump about, see all me is me. There ain't nothing to run about, nobody run from me. I have more money they talk about, see money isn't free. God damn, see all I am is me. There ain't nothing to jump about, see all me is me. There ain't nothing to run about, nobody run from me. The more money they talk about, see money isn't free. They say I sound like Mac, that's funny. People say I sound like Drake, but it makes sense cause lately everyone's sounding the fucking same. And I could barely walk to class without me thinking the same. And I could barely write a song without me changing the game. And hold up, lately everyone telling me I'm the best. Like I need to drop an album and get it off of my chest. Like I need to write some music and really start with my life without filling out applications and barely sleeping at night. And hold up, damn, I take a second, man, I need to breathe. Upon the internet, all these people believe in me, and now I'm turning into something that I need to be. Damn, it turns out that I got nightmares, barely sleep at night, man, fuck if I care. People always tell me, MDR, man, this is my year. Like, homie, yeah, I've been that way, so you know me, man, I'm right there. Damn, it's like bars over bass, doesn't matter, man, fuck it, I change the pace. And your body is looking puzzled, I'm rearranging his face. And I'm barely reaching potential, just wait till I'm fucking peaking. Collaborating with bigger names and just chilling out with the weekend. Like, damn, I guess it's time for me to block off. Nobody gonna block, man, nobody gonna block off. I know I get the look, man, you know I'm gonna top off. And that's me, cause all I am is me. There ain't nothing to jump about, see all me is me. There ain't nothing to run about, nobody run from me. And more money they talk about, see money isn't free. Damn, cause all I am is me. There ain't nothing to jump about, see all me is me. There ain't nothing to run about, nobody run from me. More money they talk about, see money isn't free. Damn.